Dun, 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 dun. Ow. Hey, what's he doing? What's he doing? Don't eat me. I don't taste good. So, this is my new puppy. Well, not new. It's not really new. Hello. Hello. Yum yum. Yum yum. This new puppy is about 10 to 12 weeks old now. And, yeah. Hyperactive, aren't you? Come on. Hyperactive. And you're actually partially drunk, apparently. And there's Holly. And here's Holly. She's one of the cool ones. She's everybody's favourite. She doesn't poop. She doesn't poop that much. And then the guy, the puppy buddy, he's just like a poop machine. Go on, Holly. Get him back. Get him back. No? No, okay. Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Basically. So, that one there, these are both puggles, but that one there, the one with the pink collar, that is Holly, and the one with the blue collar, there's the monster. Hey! Where'd you getting these from, bruh? Where'd you getting these from? Where'd you getting these from? Where did you get it from? And that troublemaker there is Buddy. He's a full-on troublemaker. Isn't he, Holly? Isn't he? Buddy. You're a troublemaker, aren't you? You're a troublemaker. You're a troublemaker. He likes licking my screen. I'm not. He was actually trying to eat it then. You're a crazy pup, aren't you? Ew, it's got hairs on it. So, yeah, it's just a vlog of my new puppy. 12 weeks old, big troublemaker, a boy. That's about it. And there's Holly, the cool one. Cool one. That's a lot of poop. I better take that out. Yeah, I should. What are you eating now? What are you eating now? Troublemaker. You're a troublemaker. Holly's the cool one. You're the cool one, Holly. You're everybody's favourite. You don't poop. You don't poop as much as this guy. He's a poop machine. Yep. So, that's just... Where in the heck did you get that from, buddy? That'll be the end of this vlog. Troublemaker. Cool. Troublemaker. I don't know anymore. So, yeah. And they're not brothers or sisters, I just dropped that thing. They're technically boyfriend and girlfriend. I know it's pretty creepy. But yeah. It's the end of this vlog, and bye for now, guys.